Hey everybody, Ben here with Diesel Power Products, and today we are talking about Mbrp exhaust. Mbrp is one of my favorite exhaust companies. They're manufactured right here in North America and they make extremely comprehensive kits. They have three options as far as material goes. You can do their Armor LITE, which is their aluminized option, Armor Plus, which is 409 stainless steel, and Armor Pro, which is 304 stainless steel. Let's talk about those real quick. Armor LITE, the aluminized option, is going to be still a normal exhaust, however it does have an aluminized coating on there, which actually tends to look pretty good for a very long time. However, once that coating rubs off, eventually the exhaust will rust through. 409 stainless steel is going to be a little bit more expensive, however it is a little bit nicer material. It is a 409 again, so it does have a little bit of iron content on there, so it will get a surface rust fairly quick, but it'll take decades for it to rust all the way through. You guys on the Rust Belt, this is for you. Best option for the money. Next is the Armor Pro. That's the 304 stainless steel. That's what most people think about when they think of stainless steel. That's the mirror polish. You can make them look real nice. However, they do go up in cost quite a bit, but if you want to invest that money in your exhaust, they have that ready for you. As far as emissions on the truck, they're going to become for everything you need to keep the emissions on there. If you have a catalytic converter, it'll come with all the parts you need to put that back in place. If it's a cat back kit, it'll have something to attach the catalytic converter and go out to the back of the truck. Mbrp makes installation a breeze with these band clamps. Nice thing about this is they have these integrated hangers that pop onto the bolt, which means they can keep costs down by offering just a simple band clamp with the hanger on there, and you are good to go. Pro tip, if you're going to be doing exhaust on an older truck, those rubber isolators that have been on there for 20 years, hit them with a little bit of WD-40, a little PB blast the night before, get them lubricated. Trust me, you'll thank me later. They offer kits in 4 or 5 inch diameter. As far as horsepower gains, 5 inch isn't really necessary until you're starting to get around that 700, 750 horsepower mark. Otherwise, if you're anywhere underneath there, a 4 or 5 inch will work better for you. The 5 inch does tend to have a slightly deeper tone. However, as far as power gains, negligible. You're also going to see that they offer them with or without a muffler. If you're looking for as much sound as possible out of the truck, get yourself a straight pipe. If you want to kind of knock down that sound a little bit, maybe not have any drone on the highway, their muffler is going to be your best option. Still get a nice throaty sound, still going to sound like an uncorked diesel. However, it does kind of tone it down a little bit so you're not chattering your teeth and possibly getting a headache from all the droning inside the cab. If you have any questions on these, please feel free to give us a call. We have technicians on the phone at 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time, Monday through Friday, and they're happy to answer any questions you have. You can also reach us through email, through social media, so whatever works best for you, even the chat feature on the website. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.